In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app on mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, the best way to do this is to open up your Play or App Store. And then from here, click on the search button. And now it says search apps, type in VPN Super Unlimited. Here it is here, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Click into that and now scroll down and here it is here, the blue one that has over 100 million downloads and 4.5 star rating with over 1 million reviews. So from here, click on the blue install button. And as you can see, it's going to download and install the VPN Super Unlimited Proxy onto your mobile device. Once that is finished downloading and installing, go ahead and click on open to either create a new account or sign in if you already got an account. Depending on how fast your internet speed, should only take a few minutes.